Section 1 Introduction Lecture number 2 Introducing Course Instructor. Myself, Mohammad Shahriar Alam. In profession, I am Web GIS specialist and member of OpenStreetMap Foundation and also founder of Shahriar GIS. In my 8 years experiences of GIS and Web GIS, I have done a lot of projects of GIS in USA, Canada, Australia, Italy, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Many of my GIS research, my GIS works, has been published in national and international newspapers. GIS is my passion rather than profession. Now I am going to share my this 8 years experiences of GIS with you by using this online training platform. Now let's back to the class. Thanks for watching and obviously enjoy GIS.